Welcome to Shedwars21. This is Wednesday. This is the first video of the season, and I hope it's going to be a good one because this is how it all starts. It starts with planning and sharing with you what all we're going to be getting involved in and growing, and just stay motivated. And you have to stay motivated the whole season. Can't quit, can't give up. You keep growing and producing and putting them seeds in the ground. And it'll get dry and it might rain a lot. There's so many obstacles you got to overcome, but I want to encourage you to do your best, and it's going to be a lot of fun because you're going to grow a lot of food, and we're all a team. Just going to plant a whole place full. My goodness, I see a honeybee up there. There it is. Pear tree, scarlet pear, and it never has pears on it. But last year we learned that you had to have two pears trees to pollinate each other. So guess what? I got another pear tree. Beautiful tree. There she is, a little bitty Bartlett pear tree. Maybe this will work out. Starting to get leaves on it. Lots of good time, going to support each other, and I appreciate everybody that supports me, and I'll cheer you on, and we'll cheer each other on. And God bless you. This is Patriot Homestead. Happy growing. I wish everybody the best of luck.